Hey YouTube, today we're going to find out how much 1 foot of pool noodle can float. So here's the setup. Look at the pool noodle. We've got exactly 12 inches of pool noodle. This is the standard size. And we've got a string and we've got some metal crap here on there. And we're going to see if this will float. So we're going to drop it in the water. And you can see that it still just floats. So we're going to call that good in terms of floating. You want it to still float and not just barely sink because, well, you want your boat to float, not sink. So pull that out of there, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take that over here to the scale, and we're going to find out how many pounds it is. So just drop the whole thing. Just hold the pool noodle like this. Put it on there. Oh, it doesn't even register. That sucks. We need a better scale. Maybe. Why doesn't that register? This might be a bust. Well, I got another way to do this. Okay, pull it off. Okay, first, I'm going to weigh. Ronan, step on the scale.
Yes.
Without the thing. Okay. With the scale. Okay, 124.6, and then hold this. Step off and get another measurement.
What's with this?
There. Now step up there.
8 for 0. Oh no, it didn't.
Alright, step up. 126.4. So
2 pounds.
It's 2 pounds. Roughly 2 pounds of metal is what we put on there. So 1 foot of pool noodle floats 2 pounds. Here's your answer. See you next time.